Hi, it's Niba. I've been facing this issue where my Mate 20 Pro wouldn't auto-synchronize, causing me to miss a lot of important Gmails. So every time, I have to get into the app to do a manual refresh. It turns out that the problem didn't come from the Gmail app, but rather from the power saving settings in the Mate 20 Pro. This video is a quick fix for this issue. Check in the user account settings to see if auto-synchronize is enabled. In my case, it wasn't possible to enable it because the option was grayed out. So, go to the battery settings and check if any of the 3 power saving modes are on. If yes, turn them off. Next, go back into users and accounts and click the 3 dots at the top right. The auto-sync data is no longer grayed out, so it can be enabled. That's it. If you found this video helpful, like and share it. It's been Niba, and I'll catch you in the next one.